If you're having trouble accessing files and folders through apps on your iPhone, don't worry, I've got you covered. This issue can arise due to app permissions, iCloud settings, or even software glitches. Here's how to fix it. Solution 1. Check app permissions, open settings, scroll down, tap privacy and security. Scroll down, tap file and folder app. From here, give access to other apps. Solution 2. Check iCloud Drive settings, open settings, tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen, tap iCloud, tap See All. Make sure iCloud Drive is toggled on. Scroll down and ensure that the app in question is allowed to use iCloud Drive. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 3. Offload and reinstall the Files app. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General, tap iPhone Storage, find the Files app, tap Offload app, tap Offload app again to confirm, tap Reinstall app. After that, try to check if the issue is resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with files and folders not working or being accessible through apps on your iPhone. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.